Welcome to this shadowing exercise. I will read a sentence, and then he will repeat it. Try to speak along with him to practice your pronunciation. Let's begin. I am very excited about this project.
I am very excited about this project.
So, how is the big project going?
So, how is the big project going?
It is actually coming along great.
It is actually coming along great.
I finally finished the first draft.
I finally finished the first draft.
That is such a huge relief.
That is such a huge relief.
The boss loved my new ideas.
The boss loved my new ideas.
I still have a few bugs.
I still have a few bugs.
My coffee habit is really helping.
My coffee habit is really helping.
The project deadline is not scary anymore.
The project deadline is not scary anymore.
The presentation will be a breeze.
The presentation will be a breeze.
Let's celebrate with some giant pizza.
Let's celebrate with some giant pizza.
I am ahead of the schedule.
I am ahead of the schedule.
My brain is basically fried now.
My brain is basically fried now.
The client is going to flip.
The client is going to flip.
I deserve a very long nap.
I deserve a very long nap.
No more overtime for a while.
No more overtime for a while.
Let's discuss a few unsolved issues.
Let's discuss a few unsolved issues.
Let's go grab some tacos.
Let's go grab some tacos.
We are crushing our weekly goals.
We are crushing our weekly goals.
Everything is falling into place now.
Everything is falling into place now.
The boss added a few tasks to this project.
The boss added a few tasks to this project.
I accidentally deleted the whole file.
I accidentally deleted the whole file.
Don't panic, I have a backup.
Don't panic, I have a backup.
We are back on track now.
We are back on track now.
I finally figured out the issue.
I finally figured out the issue.
We fixed it just in time.
We fixed it just in time.
Let's take a break now.
Let's take a break now.
The team worked some magic.
The team worked some magic.
Let's keep this momentum going.
Let's keep this momentum going.
Thank you for helping me with this project.
Thank you for helping me with this project.